'Tis the Christmas season. Fa la 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 la. Thank you. Hey guys. So I recently bought a Christmas tree. It is November 18th, and it's probably not gonna last me until Christmas. I don't know, but I decided not to return it, and so I looked online and I was just taking a look and seeing what are some tips to keep your Christmas tree alive throughout the Christmas holiday. So first things first, they told me to cut about a 1-inch, you know, give it a fresh cut on the bottom. 5-6 Christmas tree. See, there's a lot of pine needles. They usually say the pine needles are like that are probably not that good, but yeah, I don't know what to do. I already bought it. I'm pretty sure my tree's gonna die before Christmas. It doesn't look too healthy over there. Like that area, not too good. The top looks alright. That doesn't look too good. So I went out and I bought a saw for $4.99. I'm just hacking away, sweating right now. Tip number 1, always get your tree cut at the Christmas place. Tell them you want a fresh cut, you don't want to be doing this. Woo! 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 Whew. Very important, people. Fresh cut. You guys see the bottom of this side and the fresh side of this side. The reason for the fresh cut is that the tree sap easily within 3 hours can cover the bottom of this tree, and it makes your water consumption for your tree pretty much really, really bad. I want to throw up. All right, let's want to throw up right now. I'm feeling all right. Tip number 2. Christmas trees have a lot of bugs in them. So what you want to do is you want to shake the bugs out first. So first thing you want to do is you want to kind of just drop the Christmas tree a few times, and hopefully all the bugs will come out. All right, so hopefully all the bugs are out. The tree looks nice. Look, the tree smells nice. It looks kind of healthy. Look how beautiful you are. Look how beautiful you are. My first Christmas tree. Oh. So I'm making this video because this is my first Christmas tree, and for many people I know, it may also be their first Christmas tree, and I wish these are things that I knew before I bought a Christmas tree. Like, I didn't know the Christmas tree would only last about 4 weeks. And it's probably not gonna make it till Christmas, but I decided to keep it anyways and hope for the best. Number 3, to keep your Christmas tree alive longer, boil some sugar into water and make sure it is cold now, because I added some cold water at the end, but rule of thumb, about 1 cup of sugar to every gallon of water. So you wanna just dissolve the sugar into the water and then it'll be good. The sugar will help with the Christmas tree and the nutrients, and it'll keep it alive longer, make it smell nicer for longer and stuff. So hopefully this will work. Okay, now it's time to put the Christmas tree back in this thing. I don't even know where I'm gonna put the tree. Honestly, I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I probably shouldn't put it here, but I'm gonna put it there. Tip number 4, make sure you know where you wanna put your Christmas tree. 'Tis the season. 'Tis the season. I probably should have put the base on before I put the tree up. I don't really know. It's my first time. Let me lay this thing down first. The water's still a little bit hot. Make sure the water's not hot. You gotta make sure the water's not hot. All right, time to put this thing up. First way of doing it is putting the base on the ground, filling it with water, and then placing the tree into it. But this may require 2 people. The second way of doing it is laying the tree down on its side, securing the base to the bottom of the tree, standing it up, and then filling it with water. This way, you can do it with 1 person.
Alright, not too bad. Not too bad.
So the final step is putting the Christmas tree in place.
Ta-da!
Now I just gotta clean up all the pine cones. Great. So guys, the final product. It's doing all right. It's a little bit brown, but overall, if you can see, it's doing not too bad. I mean, it's holding its structure. It's just a little bit brown. It's been about 2 weeks, a week and a half, I wanna say. And overall, I'm happy with it. I just got the lights. My lighting setup is very ugly because it is my first time, like I said. But overall, I'm pretty happy about it. Honestly, I'm pretty happy about it. Dun dun! My Christmas tree. My star's a little crooked. Don't mind the star. Yeah, so those are my tips and tricks. Yes, for picking a Christmas tree, keeping it healthy, and keeping it smelling nice, and not decorating because it's not done yet. But you know, like, you get the idea. I'm wishing everybody happy holidays, guys. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, any holiday that you celebrate. From my heart to yours, I wish you guys happy holidays and have a great month, guys. See you soon. And remember, for gifts, for me, I like things that are big. You know, sometimes they're expensive, so anything big and expensive will do for me, guys. So yeah. Thank you, guys. Happy holidays.